Here we're looking at perimeters of similar figures, and there's some things that we need to know. We need to know that the ratio of the side lengths, so 3 to 7, has got to be the same as the ratio of the perimeters. So 12 is to, well, we don't know. That's why we're going to set up a proportion, and we're going to do that in a second. So the following proportion applies to similar shapes. A over B is equal to perimeter 1 divided by perimeter 2. And then we know, so first of all, here we know the ratio of the side lengths is 3 to 7. What is, then we got to think about what's the ratio of the perimeters. Well, 3 over 7 is equal to 12 over, I don't know. So then what I would do here is cross multiply. So 3 times P2 is equal to 12 times 7, which in this case would be 3 times perimeter 2 is equal to 84. Divide both sides by 3, so perimeter 2 is 28. All right, so let's do a couple of these and see how it works out. I know these are similar. So 1 is to 7 as I don't know is to 21 is how I would set that up. So let's go over here. It looks like that's not going to work. So we're just going to do 1 over 7 is equal to 7, or I don't know, over 21. X over 21. Doing fractions on Google Docs is a real pain. So we're going to just do our best here. So 1 over 7 equals I don't know over 21. Well, in that case, we cross multiplied, then you would do 1 times 21 is equal to 7 times x. And then we have 21 equals 7x. So we divide both sides by 7. We're going to get 21 divided by 7 is 3 is equal to x. So what does that mean? 1 is to 7 as 3 is to 21. And that makes sense because if you went all the way around the triangle, it would be a perimeter of 3. And the perimeter of this one would be 21. So the P1 would have to be 3 yards. Now we're dealing with a different figure. Again, these are similar. So 5 is to 2 as 25 is to I don't know. So 5 over 2 is equal to 25 over x. Okay, and sometimes you can do this without even needing to do the cross multiplication. 5 times what number gives me 25? 5. So 2 times what number, or 2 times 5 would give me what number? 2 times 5 is 10. Same thing here. 1 is 8, 1 is 6. So 8 is to 6 as 48 is to I don't know. So 8 is to 6 as 48 is to x. Right? So here I know that 8 times 6 is 48. And 6 times 6 is 36. So that other perimeter should have to be 36. I'm going to take it to another level and see where we're at. These are similar. The sides are corresponding. What is the ratio of the perimeter of the smaller square to the perimeter of the larger square? Okay. Well, in this case, there's squares, right? So I could already find what the perimeter of this one is. 2 times 4, because or 2 squared, is going to be, 2. We're looking at perimeter, so 2 times 4 would be 8, and then 9 times 4 is 36. So 8 to 36. But they're not going to be happy with that because I haven't reduced it. So it looks like both could be divided by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Okay. And that's going to be the same thing. These are regular hexagons. So all the way around, all the sides are the same. So you could just do 8 times 6 to find the perimeter of the big one, and 4 times 6 to get the perimeter of the smaller one. 8 times 6 happens to be 48. 4 times 6 is 24. So 48 over 24. Now, if you noticed, I can divide top and bottom. So 48 divided by 24 is 2. So if that's the case, then your ratio is going to be 2 to 1. And that should be it. Good luck.